Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable comments on your YouTube videos. It's really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just go over on YouTube Studio on your channel, and once you are here you are going to have a screen similar to mine. Now we need to go over to the left side and go over content. As you can see right here, it should show up all your YouTube videos. Now we're just going to select the one that we are going to enable or disable the comments for. Once you've chosen the YouTube video that you want, you just have to press its thumbnail, for example this one. Once I've done this, what I need to do is just scroll down, and as you can see right here I have the option show more written in blue. We're going to click on show more, go all the way down, and the last option should be comments and ratings. Choose if and how you want to show comments. Comments visibility. Allow all comments is currently set, but you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, or disable comments. And you can also select how they get sorted. And once you change something, for example disable comments, you just need to hit save, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.